It's another conversation with the lease car. What do we call it again? Oh Lord.
And now for our featured presentation.
My first rainy day with my car. My first rainy day drive with you guys. So let me show you what I'm going. Yeah. First rainy day, guys. I need to buy one of those things for the phone, so it can hold the phone up. But this is my first rainy day. First of me, and it's raining cats and dogs. I may have a blind because police don't come out when rain fall. But I'm taking a chance to make this recording, guys. Just for the benefit of you all. So it's pretty overcast, look at that. First of me, it's pretty overcast. Actually heading to work. And it's really overcast. Look at that. Look like a storm is coming. So this is my first day. And if you look straight ahead over that mountain, there's blue skies over there. There's light out there. I would say blue skies. Light over that side. Straight ahead. That's maybe to Stony Hillside. Wow. Yeah. But it's raining cats and dogs. And rats. So, but before I go to work, I need to make a small stop. Michelle is doing some work, and she asked me to get some carton. So how is your morning? How is your day? How is your evening? Whatever time it is in your neck of the woods. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Oh, it's another. Okay, it's another. It's another conversation with the lease car. What do we call it again? Oh Lord. I took a unanimous decision and call it Car Chronicles. Yeah, conversation.
What's a corny thing to say?
So, look up for more Chronicles. Car Chronicles.
Chronicles.
Conversation with Elise Car Chronicles. I don't remember it, but I'll remember it soon and I'll put it up. But it's another conversation with Elise Car Chronicles. That's it, Car Chronicles. And it's a rainy day. Hold on. So this is Ligani. For those who are overseas and remember, that gas station used to be a Shell gas station. It's no longer Shell, it's a Rubis. That used to be an NCB bank, but the bank gone up in an outside plaza now. So, and then the Scotia Bank is over there, sir. See it over there, so the side. So heading to Alpha Tree. You guys heading to Alpha Tree and just capturing the scenes en route to Alpha Tree. But as you can see now, the sky is literally white. Use the wiper. The sky is literally grey, should say. Pretty overcast. And it's my first rainy day in our car. First rainy day. Yeah. So there's a Scotiabank over there, so guys. And over here, so now we have Legally Plaza. And further down the road is Mothers. You can see the thing there from now. Yeah, the M. That's Mothers further down the road. And I'm taking this shots because the cops don't normally come out on the road when it's this bad, it's raining. Yeah. We are restricted to have our phone using, but based on the fact that the rain are falling out, taking out a chance I should show you guys sights and scenes of my first rainy day in my car. That's Lane Plaza heading down. Alright, and there's Mothers over there, so. And then you have Juicy Beef over there, so. Oh boy. This taxi man. Oh Lord. Alright. So. And of course these are tasties right here, so. And we're heading down Coco. Mighty God. Look at the rain. It is torrential. So they call it. Yeah, this is some serious rain. And it look all island. Look at the skies, guys. It is. And then in Jamaica, once rain start to fall, it's bumper to bumper traffic. I hope it's not too bad because it's just after 11 in the morning in Kingston, Jamaica. Oh, you see there? Juicy Beef. We have a whole lot of restaurants in Ligani. Whole heap of restaurants. Fast food restaurants. But the good thing about these fast food are good food. Yeah, most of them are good food. Good food and good tasting food. So, yeah guys. Just for your benefit. Cops won't come out, won't be out in the rain in their uniforms. They'll get soaked. So they're not going to come out in the rain like this. So I'm heading down. Okay, there's Shopping Center over there, and then there's Ligani Post Mall Center, or Ligani Mall. And then there's a JMB that is coming here in Ligani. Yeah. And for those who don't know, this is 100 restaurant. So we have a whole heap of establishment. This is Crystal Villas over here. So if you want to come and hang out, there's a spot. We have the Total headquarters over this side. Total over this side. And of course, I think over here so used to be the Total, but they are now Hyundai. Come on, lady, you can go through. They are now Hyundai. No, what do you call it? The phone place there. Huawei them call it. Huawei. So they have a headquarters, I guess an office in Jamaica. And this is the Mirage. Look at that. Great hard work here. All over Kingston. So guys, I'm doing this just to show you what I go on. It's my first rainy day since I bought the car, and I thought to myself, why not take a do a little vlog and let you guys see what going on. And trust me, I'm happy that I push out this early because normally when it rains in Jamaica, bumper to bumper traffic, but it's in the morning, so most persons would have already been at work, you know, in their offices or whatever the case is. Again, we have more fast food place down here, so more fast food. There's a Greek restaurant over here, so. And of course, there's a Citibank. Citibank is right over there. Make sure to see it good. Citibank over there. And this is our kiddies. I think it's a kiddies health center. I think so. Or it's for everybody. Pediatric, the big word there, and yeah, pediatric center. And guys, the other thing is a whole heap of construction going on in Jamaica. Whole heap, and this is another one. And I wanted to myself, oh Lord, be careful. You couldn't see properly because of the raindrops. Where are they going to find persons to rent these offices that they're building? So this is what called Bob Marley place over there, so guys. That's a Bob Marley's place. Yes. His last residence, I'm told, in Jamaica. So now I'm heading down Hope Road. It's my first rainy day since I bought the car. Yeah. And one thing for sure, I love it when it rains. I kid you not. Though I'm going to work, I still love it when it rains. Still love it when it rains. I'm heading to work, but I got to make a stop first. I hope I can still make a stop. Michelle is doing some sewing and she wants me to get thread and zips for her. So I'm heading to Harvard to get that. Now look at this monstrosity across from Jamaica House, guys. I don't know how and why was this approved. Look at that monstrosity. Yeah? Across from Jamaica House. I don't think the Americans would have allowed a building to go in front of the White House like that. Andrew, I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. You know, I'm not favoring this at all. But just have to just make things unfold as they should. Because oftentimes when you see these good things, sometimes you hear at the longer run, oh, this I can't, you know, payout or this under the table deal and where it take. So just make things play out here, man. I'm alright. But it just didn't sit. It don't sit well with me. But who is me to stop whatever has already been in progress? Anyway, look at the amount of water on the road, though, guys. The drainage in Kingston. Oh, one just splashed me. Look at the amount of water on the road, and the rain just fall. Now this is the bumper to bumper traffic. Let me tell you about, guys. This is it. Why? What's happening here? Right, let me go over this side. It has less water, but look at the amount of water on the road already, and it just started to rain. It speaks in the amount of rain it does fall still, but we don't have proper drainage. Look at that. We don't have proper drainage to make the water run off. You understand? And all this water could have been in a catchment right now as we speak, and then purify it and do whatever, because water is still life, and this is coming naturally from the Lord, naturally from the Lord. You understand? So, and then now we can complain, say we have water shortage. Jamaica is such a blessed place. it is such a blessed place that even when we complain about water shortage, the Lord just make a way and give us some water, you know, through the clouds and things. So I have to drive a little bit through this water here because of the direction that I am going. So I hope it run off as it goes further down the road. It should still, because there's some better drainage further down on Hope Road. Of course, this is the Unjust, well known, and this is Usain Bolt's other place, I'm told. Other place, meaning, hey, don't block me, bro. Yeah, it's another call center, I'm told. Or is a office space again. It says BPO space. So yeah, same thing. Yeah, that is that. And over here, of course, for those who aren't aware, that's Devon's house or Devon House. It's the sign there, Devon House. Look at the amount of water on the road, guys. Look at the amount of water on the road. So, I thought there was being over there, so the police, but they're not. Woof. Just want to get you guys a video of what's happening on the first rainy day since I bought the car. My first rainy day. Look at the amount of water over there, so guys. Look at the amount of water. Look at the amount of water on the road. Let me see if I can get over this. This vehicle shut off. Alright, look like him having complications. But look at the amount of water on the road. I think should I go down straight off the tree? Should I go down straight? Yes, I should. I think I should. Yes, I know I'm going to go. I should. What you guys see there? Devon House. So now we're going to go down into Arthur. Look at that. Man almost splashed me from way over here, so. Way over there, so man almost splashed me. Alright, don't swing over now. Don't swing over. So because Arthur Tree normally is filled with police, I have to keep my phone out of the view. Just to continue the video, guys. But let me show you how I go on. Look at the amount of water. Ooh, just got splashed again. Look at the rain. Look at the rain. Now, over there says clear. Not much water on that side because all the water gone over this side. Which over, I guess because of the design of the road, water run to that side and go into the tree. So, yeah. It's hard to see, not hard, but you won't see police on the road when it's raining, guys, in Jamaica. You hardly go and see any. But I'm being very careful because it's a hefty fine. A hefty fine for using a phone. But I'm just taking a little video for the benefit of all of you guys. See what I'm going to be my first rainy day. First rainy day. Whoa, look at that. Just get a mega splash. Just get a mega splash, guys. Just get a mega splash. Look at this amount of water. Look at them. Look at the amount of water. Look at the amount of water. Yeah, guys, so it's my first rainy day since I bought the car. And yeah, I love it when it rains. So it's my first time driving in the rain, as in my own vehicle, and it feels good. Just down off the tree. I'm gonna keep my phone as discreet as possible. Half a tree square, taking a quick view so you can see where I'm going. As we reach the clock there, the 3 o'clock. Yeah, so you can see where I'm going. Seeing the police inside, so I tell you guys, when it rains, police don't really stay up on the road unless they're in their vehicles or something. See, normally you have a barrage of police right at the clock here, so barrage should say, but there's no police on the road, guys, so I'll be able to show you what's happening. Look at the amount of water on the road. Look at the amount of water on the road. Guys, so you can see the police. So, ready to grab them now. Some stuff from Michelle. She wants to get swimming pound. And the sky is white. I tell you guys, the sky is literally grey. I keep saying white. It's like light grey. It's my first time driving my vehicle in the rain. Yeah. Leave it a share, bro. So how is your day? It's raining here in Jamaica. May 1st brings rain. And to me, rain is always a good thing. Gets to water the land and give the crops some much needed water. The only problem I have is that we don't utilize the opportunity to capture this water and store it and then have it for reuse. You know, that's the only issue I have. It's just running on the road and wasting. Then we have water lockouts and all manner of things because them say have water shortage. You understand? So successive governments have not done well in that regard. But let's see what happens in the future, yeah? Not seen any police, and it has been developed so much, you know, guys. Look over there, so you see that's built land now. It is a plaza over there, another plaza up there. So these buses are going up Constant Spring and Stony on inside. I have the green. So I'm now going to make a short stop, pick up something from the shop. Yes. I want to get a man or the homeless. I'm not saying that because everybody homeless is mad. Everybody that's mad is homeless. Going over here. Pick the plaza where King's Fabric is on. And it's a little more the plaza anyway. It's Arden Plaza. Let's see, can I just be skilled and get through this place here? Alright, so guys, I'll get back to you shortly. So what's happening on the outside? Pablo's here, so try chance now. So we can go over the other side. Look over there, so guys. Holy for darkness. So holy for rain of a fall today. Holy for rain of a fall today. So we heading to work, guys. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And I took you on a day as to how the rainy day for my first driving my vehicle for the first time in the rain. Blessings.